In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix corrupted data on Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple methods that you can follow to fix corrupted data on any platform. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that there's no direct approach to fix corrupted data in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. What I mean to say is that there isn't a guaranteed solution. It's going to depend on your platform, so between PC, PlayStation, and Xbox, multiple different methods exist, and you can try some of them to see if it helps. I'm gonna try to cover all of these platforms, but like I said, I cannot guarantee that a specific method is going to work for your platform. So first, some methods to attempt recovery. If your console offers cloud saves like through PlayStation Plus or Xbox Live Gold, if you have it enabled for Xenoverse 2, you might be able to download a previous uncorrupted save file, which was automatically backed up when you were playing. So this is going to be the most convenient way. This will only work if you had cloud backups enabled before the corruption happened, and of course you had a subscription active. If you play on PC through Steam, something that you can do is find Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 on your library, and you will notice that I am using Titanfall for this example. I apologize, I don't have Xenoverse 2 on this account, but all that you have to do is right-click Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, go over to Properties, and then you will be able to select Installed Files, where you can verify the integrity of the game files. By doing this, it's going to detect if any corrupted files exist within the game's installation folder, and they are going to be reacquired. So always do this. It's a process that's going to scan your PC for the game, and after it is done, you will be able to play. Now, if it still doesn't work, as a last resort, you can try backing up your corrupted save data and then delete it altogether. Of course, this will erase your progress, but there is a chance that it might auto-create a new uncorrupted save on starting fresh. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix corrupted data on Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.